In this video, you'll learn how to withdraw Tapswap tokens to Bitget. This process involves several steps within the Bitget platform, ensuring that your tokens are securely transferred to your desired wallet. Start by navigating to the Bitget exchange website. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection, as this will help facilitate a smoother transaction process. Once on the homepage, look for the option labeled Beyond Crypto and click on it to proceed. After selecting Beyond Crypto, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you will find the profile icon. Click on this icon to access your account settings. This section contains various options related to your account management. Next, locate and click on Settings from the drop-down menu that appears. This action will redirect you to a new screen displaying your account preferences. Here, you will find a dashboard option. Click on it to move forward. On the dashboard screen, look for the Assets tab, which is typically displayed prominently. Selecting Assets will lead you to an overview of your holdings. From this section, find and click on the Withdrawal button. Once you click on Withdraw, a new screen will appear asking you to confirm your withdrawal request. You will see another Withdraw button. Click on this to continue. This is an important step as it confirms your intention to withdraw your tokens. Now, you need to select the coin you wish to withdraw. Click on the option labeled Select a Coin. A list will appear. Type in TAPS in the search field. Once the options appear, click on Tapswap to choose it for withdrawal. After selecting Tapswap, proceed to click on Select Recipient. This action will open a new menu where you need to choose the type of withdrawal. Click on On-Chain to specify that you want to withdraw to a blockchain address. Next, you will need to select the network for your withdrawal. Click on Select Network and choose TRC20 as an example. This choice is significant as it determines how your tokens are transferred on the blockchain. Then, click on Withdrawal Address. You will need to enter the destination address for your Tapswap tokens. Ensure you double-check this address to avoid any mistakes, as transactions on the blockchain are irreversible. Once you have entered the withdrawal address, click on Next to proceed with the transaction. At this point, you should see a summary of your withdrawal details for confirmation. Review this information carefully before finalizing the withdrawal. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.